Welcome to the ultimate showdown between the OnePlus 15 and the Google Pixel 10. Today, we're diving deep into what makes each flagship tick, from the blazing fast Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5 versus Google's Tensor G5 chipset, to insane display tech like 165Hz LTPO AMOLED against a bright 120Hz OLED. We'll compare battery life, camera prowess, including periscope telephoto lenses, and special features like AI multitasking and satellite SOS. But here's the kicker. Which phone truly delivers the best value for power users and photography enthusiasts alike? Stick around because this debate might just redefine your next phone choice. Starting with the display, the OnePlus 15 boasts a larger 6.78-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with an ultra-smooth 165Hz refresh rate and an impressive 1800 nits brightness, alongside Dolby Vision and HDR10+ support. This means buttery animations and vibrant visuals with lower power consumption thanks to its TÜV Rheinland Intelligent Eye Protection certification. Meanwhile, the Pixel 10 offers a smaller 6.3-inch OLED with a solid 120Hz refresh rate and an even higher peak brightness of 3000 nits for outdoor visibility. The OnePlus's higher refresh rate and advanced color tech make it the winner for immersive media and gaming experiences. Under the hood, the OnePlus 15 runs on the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5, featuring an octa-core CPU with two powerful 4.6 GHz cores, dramatically outpacing the Pixel 10's Google Tensor G5, which maxes out at 3.78 GHz on its prime core. The Adreno 840 GPU in the OnePlus also delivers superior graphics performance compared to the Pixel's Imagination Power VR GPU. This means smoother multitasking and gaming performance on the OnePlus 15, ideal for power users craving speed and efficiency. Benchmark scores confirm the hardware gap. The OnePlus 15 scores a staggering 2,790,237 on Antutu and 11,062 on Geekbench 6, nearly double the Pixel 10's 1,173,841 and 5,857 respectively. 3D Mark Wildlife Extreme scores also show the OnePlus's graphics muscle at 7,370 versus 3,231 on the Pixel. If raw performance is your priority, the OnePlus 15 is clearly the speed demon here. When it comes to special features, the OnePlus 15 shines with its MindSpace app, AI Plus Mind for capturing any information, and a glacier cooling system to keep performance steady. It also offers a unique Plus Key AI button and 50-watt wireless charging. The Pixel 10 counters with a Titan M2 security coprocessor, satellite SOS service for emergencies, and spatial audio for immersive sound, plus magnetic 15-watt wireless charging. Both bring strong extras, but the OnePlus leans towards productivity and cooling innovation, while the Pixel focuses on security and emergency features. On camera, the OnePlus 15 sports a versatile triple 50-megapixel setup, including a periscope telephoto lens with 3.5x optical zoom, delivering detailed shots and 8K video recording at 30 FPS. The Pixel 10's main camera is 48 megapixel with a 5x telephoto zoom and advanced computational photography features, shooting up to 4K at 60 FPS. The OnePlus edges out for sheer resolution and zoom versatility, making it a powerhouse for mobile photography enthusiasts. Delving deeper, the OnePlus 15's periscope telephoto lens with laser focus and AI detail boost ensures sharp, clear zoomed images, while the Pixel 10 offers ProRes zoom up to 100x and enhanced HDR+ processing for vibrant photos. The Pixel's Camera Coach and Pixel Shift features add smart assistance for casual shooters. Overall, OnePlus's hardware-centric zoom beats the Pixel's software-enhanced zoom for critical detail capture. Battery life is another battlefield. The OnePlus 15 packs a massive 7,300 mAh battery, far larger than the Pixel 10's 4,970 mAh cell. This means longer screen-on time and less frequent charging for heavy users, making the OnePlus a clear choice if endurance is a priority. In terms of build, the Pixel 10 features Gorilla Victus 2 glass front and back with an aluminum frame, offering a premium feel and durability. The OnePlus 15 uses Gorilla Victus 2 on the front but opts for a fiber-reinforced plastic back, which may reduce weight but feels less premium. The Pixel's all-glass design gives it a more luxurious and solid hand feel. Both phones are IP68 rated for dust and water resistance, but the OnePlus 15 goes further with IP69 certification, meaning it can withstand high-pressure water jets and immersion up to 1.5 meters for 30 minutes. This extra ruggedness gives the OnePlus a slight edge for durability. Memory configurations differ significantly. The OnePlus 15 offers a wide range from 256 GB up to 1 TB, paired with up to 16 GB RAM, catering to power users and multitaskers. The Pixel 10 maxes out at 256 GB and 12 GB RAM, which is still solid but less flexible for those needing massive storage or extreme multitasking capabilities. Finally, pricing is neck and neck. The OnePlus 15 starts just above $900, while the Pixel 10 is slightly cheaper at $799. Considering the OnePlus's superior performance, display, and battery, it arguably offers better value for users who prioritize specs, but the Pixel's price might appeal to those who want a premium experience with strong software support.